Bullish star map book, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.030203 and $0.05705 by 2030. Market examiners accept map book could reach $0.023491 by 2025. Bearish star chart book market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.005369. Star chart book, map book, presentation NFTs, the freshest obsession with the web, are supposed to influence the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is making ready for the following flood of computer games is Start Map Book. Star Map Book is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future, with a double symbolic economy. Star Chart Book players investigate the huge drain of space in quest for extremely valuable NFT-based precious stones. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain components with NFT situated in-game things and specific designs innovations. What is Star Chart Book? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Chart Book. According to its white paper, clients may unite, coordinate, and battle their direction into neglected landscape on account of this astounding creation. In the game, players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or gather as one and make decentralized independent associations, DAO, to lead over specific regions. Players procure virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Chart Book totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Star Chart Book is right now worth $0.006712 United States dollars. Chartbook has moved 2.90% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,804,374. Star Chartbook is right now positioned 361 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $97,414,587 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union dissimilarity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Star Map Book, Chart Book, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Star Map Book market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Star Map Book, Value Expectation 2023 Star Map Book, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Chart Book. The Chart Book cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.010068. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.009396 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Chartbook is supposed to have a base worth of $0.008054. Star Chart Book, Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024, Star Map Book Chart Book Cost Forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Map Book will before long outperform $0.016779. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the chart book's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Chartbook will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.013423 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.014766. Star Map Book, Chart Book, Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.023491 and Chart Book might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Mapbook is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.021478 and a low of $0.020135 in 2025. Star Chart Book, Map Book, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Star Chart Book effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the chart book coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, chart book will be green in 2026. The chart book is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.030203, with a base cost of $0.026847 and a typical cost of $0.028189. Star Chart Book, Map Book, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the map book cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.034901 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.033559 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, chart book has a most extreme value worth of $0.036915. Star Map Book, Chart Book, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.041613. In the event that chart book figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.043626. Neglecting to accumulate the help map book needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.040027. Star Map Book, Map Book, Value Forecast 2029. While chart book is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.046982 and a yearly cost close above $0.050338 in 2029. Star Chart Book, Map Book, Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Star Chart Book will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.053694 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.05705, averaging out at $0.055036. Star Map Book, Map Book, Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest map book cost in 2031 is projected to be $0.0